Hey, buddy. Still paddling by your hand? Too much work. No worries. LiTime turns your boat electric instantly. Look over here. Portable all-in-one system for 2 to 5 meter boats. Install in 3 steps. Lock, click, power on. Transform your boat in minutes. From paddle struggles to power moves, you've officially leveled up. Smooth sailing, zero sweating, that's the LiTime guarantee. What a perfect day on the water. But hold up, buddy. Why the long face? Need more power? We've got you covered. 3 kilowatt modular powerhouse for boats, up to 10 meters. Modular setup, like Lego for boats, but way more powerful. Hold up. Why drain your budget? Half the cost, same get-go. Now that's a deal. And hey, with LiTime, you're not just owning a motor, you're owning the easiest way to turn your paddle boat into an electric dream machine. Lower cost, zero compromise. LiTime turns your boat electric instantly. LiTime one-stop power solution. From paddle to power.